From our floors to our ceilings, Pinewood Homes has taken every detail into account when designing these new homes. We work closely with our design team throughout every step of the building process to ensure that our strategies are in alignment with the new Niagara. Engineered hardwood has been laid, where applicable, throughout our home's main floors, and tiled areas in our foyer, kitchen, mudroom, bathroom, and breakfast areas that have created a sleek transition from traditional elegance to modern taste in any of these homes.